Hello traders, hope you all enjoy trading. In this video, I will share some of my entry reasons for my trades. Most of them I shared it with you guys in different ideas. First one, Euro USD, it hit my final target, 250 pips, zero down. Why we entered tested with you guys? We have a very good daily closure below our previous support and the new resistance. A good rejection from here. The price go back, take all the stop losses, and then move to downside. So it was a very easy entry. The second one, I entered this week GBP AUD, 200 pips, zero down. It was a very clear entry. Also, we have multiple shooting star candlesticks below this previous resistance. So the price closed below, back to retest and take all stop losses. I was very lucky because my stop loss only 50 pips and it went to upside, I think 40 pips. Daily closure very good here. 4 hours closures was very good. Also, the price take all stop losses above and then move to downside 200 pips, zero drawdown. Also, I have USDCHF. USDCHF, I have this entry hit all targets 250 pips, and then we entered from here together. And the price give us a very good bullish price action. This 3 pin formation and the move to upside. I think now 190 pips, almost 200 pips, zero down. I have a new entry also for you guys for free. If the price go back to it is 0.89, this blue line, we can enter a buy trade from here. Also, I have CHF JPY. This week, I entered the third entry and shared it with you guys. Now, my third entry running in 65 peps. My second entry hit final targets 250 peps. Why I entered from here, I shared with you guys, but I will share again. I put my FIB tool from this high to this low to measure this wave, and the price rejected from 78.6. Daily closure was below, so it was a very good entry also. And as I said, 70 peps, almost those my entries for this week plus Eurocad that I mentioned with you guys. It's running now. I think 180 peps, and it was from here 170 peps. I gave this entry for you guys for free. Hope you all benefited from my analysis, and hope you benefited from it. And I wish the analysis I gave for you help you to increase your skills and make your analysis better and easier. Congratulations to who benefited from all our entries and wish you a great weekend.